because you don't want to be outside looking all ashy. All right, not cute. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yari, and as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be talking about looking good, looking put together on a budget. Looking high maintenance isn't really about spending a lot of money. It's about small habits that in the end, they help you look more polished. I'm going to be sharing all of my tips and tricks to glow up and look put together. I'm not gonna say all the time, but majority of the time. Because at the end of the day, it's not about looking perfect. It's about just feeling confident within yourself. You feel good because you look good. The first thing we're going to talk about is skincare. You have to take care of your skin. You can't go to sleep with your makeup on. I have acne prone skin, so I went from having lots of pimples, lots of hyperpigmentation, to really taking control over my skin and taking care of it. And that doesn't mean I went to an esthetician and got all of these different facials done and extractions and microneedling and all of that. Like, yes, all of those things help, but we're talking about budget-friendly things here, okay? So I made sure I had a really good skincare routine in place. The ones that have been the best for my skin and I consider affordable are Korean skincare products. Make sure to exfoliate your skin. And I'm not talking about physical exfoliants, at least not for your face. You wanna use BHAs and AHAs, you wanna use lactic acid, salicylic acid, and all of those things sound like super complicated, but trust me, it really is not. So collagen masks, or just like those sheet masks, helps with that glowy, dewy look. Because at the end of the day, you don't wanna look greasy and oily, okay? You want to look dewy and glowy. They're pretty affordable. You can get them from Amazon, the beauty supply store, CVS, Target, Walgreens, literally from so many different places. And the most important part of your skincare is 100% SPF. SPF is going to protect your skin from looking dull, from getting wrinkles, from getting even more uneven skin and more hyperpigmentation. So trust me when I say this, SPF is your best friend. And since we're talking about skincare, we cannot forget about our body care. Very important, because you don't want to be outside looking all ashy. All right, not cute. Not cute. It really makes a big difference when you have like that glowy skin and it looks super healthy. Every Sunday I do a everything shower. I scrub my body the same way you're exfoliating your face. You want to exfoliate your body. You can make a DIY scrub. You take some coconut oil, some almond oil, take some brown sugar, or even some coffee grounds, and you mix that and you create a scrub. Very easy, very affordable, no excuses. You scrubbed, you got rid of all of that dead skin. Now once you're out the shower, you're going to moisturize. You can use a regular body lotion. The one I use is the Nivea almond oil one. That one is so moisturizing. And then I would 100% recommend a body butter. So whether it's my face or my body, just putting in that extra time to making sure your makeup is off, making sure your skin is clean and moisturized, really makes a difference and really adds to that polished and clean look that you want. Number 2 is makeup. When it comes to makeup, what works for me is really just enhancing my features without overdoing it. That classy and clean look is my favorite. Like that soft glam, or not even a glam, like on a day-to-day basis, I'm not doing a full face of makeup. It's just not happening. But I do want to look like I put some time into it, you know? Literally with a little bit of concealer under my eyes and any area that has like some hyperpigmentation. And then I take a little bit of blush, put some blush on. I could put a little bit on my lips if I want to give a little bit of a flush look. Blend that out. Gonna take a little bit of powder, put that under your eyes. You can set the rest of your face if you want to. And I know a lot of people are scared of powders. Trust me, powder is just gonna make everything look so much better. If you're only gonna use creams and you start sweating, again, that's gonna give you more of a greasy, oily look. You don't wanna look greasy and oily. You wanna look dewy and glowy. Powders can help. It can absorb some of the oil and it will set everything on your face. Really quick, an eyebrow gel. And then the last thing that you're gonna do is gonna be your lips. You're gonna take a lip liner. I like to do a lip liner that's a little closer to the color of my lips. I take take a gloss or a lip oil. e.l.f. has amazing lip oils. They are very affordable, they're very pretty. Or a lip balm. Literally takes 5 minutes to do, and it really helps you look like you took some time that day to do your makeup, to look put together, when in reality it just took you 5 minutes. Now we're gonna talk about literally my favorite thing in the world, nails. I'm one of those people that I do not feel like I look look good if my nails are not done. I just feel like something's missing. Yeah, my nails have to be done. And I'm not gonna lie, of course there are times where my nails are not done, where you can see the growth. There's been times where I lose a nail. It happens. But getting your nails done at the nail salon has become so expensive. I used to pay like $130, $140 for hard gel extensions. So you know what I did? I went on TikTok, I went on YouTube, I looked up how I can do my own nails, and I went on Amazon and I bought everything I needed. I purchased the UV light, I purchased the nail glue, I purchased everything that I needed. I usually do have my nails like a little longer and like almond shaped, but as of lately I've been doing my nails short. I don't know, I've just been really into the short nail vibe with like the neutral colors, the pinky tone, the French tip. And if I want to do my nail extensions, which I'll probably get back to that eventually because I love them so much that I know I'm gonna get back to it, the short nails and the long nails can both give a very clean aesthetic, a very clean look, which is what we want. So for my extensions, I'm not gonna lie, it did take some practice to get good at it, but that's okay because I am saving $120+ every time. If you don't have the patience, if you don't have the time to do your own nails, you can easily just do press-ons. Press-ons are so easy and cheap. You literally can get them anywhere. You can go to CVS, you can go to Target, you can go on Amazon and purchase them. There's so many beautiful designs. It literally takes like 10 minutes to put them on. Very low maintenance to look very high maintenance. And then we can't forget about the cuticle oil, especially in the winter. In the winter, yeah, you might moisturize your hands. Great. Amazing, but then your cuticles are looking all dry. So make sure to also have a cuticle oil and put that on your cuticles. It's essential, trust me. It makes such a big difference. Your nails might look gorgeous, beautiful, but then if your cuticles are like dry and you're picking on it, and no, cuticle oil, please and thank you. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is hair. So my hair is in a bun 70% of the time. Anything that's like slick back, bun, a ponytail, whatever it is, just looks so classy and sophisticated to me. Literally, with my baby hairs out, love it. And it's like the easiest and the simplest hairstyle ever. All you need is some gel and a toothbrush. That's it. Now, if you want to do something a little different, like a ponytail, you can easily get one from the beauty supply store. One that I've been using recently, I got from the TikTok shop. Super affordable. I think I paid like $17 for it. Majority of the time, my hair is in its natural state. So even though I currently have a silk press, my hair is usually curly. So I just make sure that my hair looks healthy, shiny, especially since I bleached my hair and dyed it. So I try to focus on doing weekly hair masks, and you can easily make one at home. You can take some honey, some mayo, some olive oil, some almond oil, put that in your hair, leave it in for an hour or two, wash that out, and your hair will look so good. You don't need to spend a lot of money on this, trust me. I've done all of it and it actually does work. If you have like damaged hair, damaged curls, I recommend products like Apogee. Those are pretty cheap. That's literally what I used when I first went through my transition with my hair, with my natural curls. I religiously use these DIY masks and the Apogee products. Again, very cheap. I was in college. I was a broke college student. As you guys can see, I'm rocking my straight hair today. I did my silk press at home, okay, with tools that I bought from the beauty supply store. I think my blow dryer is like a Conair blow dryer from, I don't know when, 2005. It's been in my house for ages. And then the flat iron that I use was $20 from the beauty supply store, and it worked perfectly fine. You don't need to buy the expensive ones that are $200, $300. You don't need to buy a Dyson. You don't need any of those products to have a good result. So you want to protect your hair. You want your hair to look healthy, whether you wear it in a bun, whether you wear it out, whether you wear it natural and curly. And in order to have your hair looking good, you have to take care of it. Now the next thing is jewelry. So for that clean look, you really want to wear minimalistic, like dainty, timeless jewelry. I literally get mine from Shein or Amazon. I don't care to be wearing fake jewelry. Studs and hoops are my go-to. Literally just something that adds like that extra oomph to your outfit. And you don't have to do too much. Some cute little studs or hoops, like I'm wearing these hoops from Shein, some cute rings, and then this dainty bracelet that my mom gifted me. Very cute, very clean, very basic, very minimal. If you want to wear like some cute studs with a very simple necklace that has like your initials on it. Like those are super cute and just adds and gives that clean polished look that we're striving for. Very subtle, but it makes a difference and it really elevates your look. Now let's talk about lashes. First of all, lashes are extremely expensive. They could be $120 or more, so they're not very affordable. For myself personally, I am allergic to lash extensions. I literally was getting them done all the time, and all of a sudden I started to get an allergic reaction to them. But I really do like that look of having lashes, so I ended up discovering mascara lashes, or just lash clusters. They literally come with like this glue. It looks like a mascara tube, and it's so easy to put on, and you can leave them on for like 5 to 7 days. Literally looks like lash extensions. They stay on, they look good, and they're cheap. These are some of the ones that I use. I got these from Amazon. They're super cheap. I think each one of them were like maybe $15, and there's so much in here. These are actually the ones that I'm wearing today. I love them. What I love the most about them is I literally can wake up in the morning and I already look put together. So another key part of my routine is hair removal. So I will either wax, and I got all of my wax essentials from Amazon. I bought like the hard wax machine. Now, if you don't have time to wax, alternative could just be shaving. Just make sure that you're using the right shavers. The one that I recommend and the one that I use is the Gillette one. I also got that from Amazon. What I like about waxing though is that even though it is painful, I think eventually you get used to it and it gets better. And then it also has better results in the end. It lasts longer. Now, when it comes to removing facial hair, I love me a facial razor. I either do that or I use my tweezers. So you want to make sure that you remove all of that hair from your face. You can do dermaplaning on your entire face. That's perfectly fine. It will actually absorb your skincare products even better. And then for brows, I like to tweeze them because I like more of that bushy look, that soap brow look, instead of me going to get them waxed or threaded. Portable, don't have to pay a cent, and I do it myself at home. And number 8 is your outfit. I don't know about you guys, but I love workout clothes. That athletic attire, athleisure wear is my go-to. I think it is such a sophisticated and clean look. It's fitted to your body. So easy to literally just wake up in the morning, put it on, and you're good to go. The easiest way to go about looking clean and polished is to wear sets or like a one piece, like those Skim dresses. Does not have to be from Skims, okay? I have a Skims dupe from Amazon. Literally get compliments on that dress all the time. I think I paid like 30 bucks for it. So Amazon has so many sets. This top, this is a Skims dupe, honey. This is from H&M. I think I paid like $9 for this top. It is so soft. It is so nice. It is so fitted to my body. I love how it looks. And I honestly like to wear black and neutral colors, but I think it's perfectly fine to wear any other color that you like. I would just say to wear them in a set just to look more put together overall. Another thing to keep in mind is when you're wearing these sets and these tops, they're all fitted clothing. And the good thing about it is that you usually don't really have to iron those clothes. So it really makes it easier to just get ready in the morning and already look put together and like you put some effort into your outfit. Now, if you are gonna wear clothing that is not fitted or clothing that is fitted but for some reason it's wrinkled, just please make sure to iron your clothes. There is nothing clean and polished about wrinkled clothing, okay? In the end, looking high maintenance, from your skincare to your jewelry to getting your lashes done, every detail adds up to create that luxe put together look. Like, I'm not gonna lie, there's been many times where my bills go first, and there's been many times where I can afford to go get my nails done, but I just don't want to spend that money, so I'm gonna do it myself because I know I can do it myself and I can save that money to put into other things. Being a woman is very expensive, so I had to learn to do these things myself, and I want to teach you guys how to do it yourself because it is obtainable. It is most of the time very easy, very quick. I hope these tips help you guys achieve your own glow up. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.